The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 98. Well, a very good evening to you. It is Wednesday the 2nd of October 2024 and I'm staying over on the Swamp Duck for a couple of days because I'm doing some work out there on the deck. I'm restaining all of the woodwork, so that involves getting the old paint stripper out first of all, cleaning all the woodwork and then restaining it and varnishing it. So it's quite an involved process, so I thought I'd spend a couple of days starting that process. Ever since we got back from bringing the boat from Syston, it has done nothing but rain. I think today was the first day that we saw a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, but apart from that it's been torrential rain, and most of the rivers around Derby are all in flood and have been for a few days. Doesn't affect us here at all on the Ashby Canal, so thank goodness for that. So my next video, which will go out on Saturday the 5th of October 2024, is of bringing the boat back. So that video takes us from Syston to the bottom of Foxton Locks. I was going to continue it and do the whole journey in one video, but to be honest, we had so much footage that it wouldn't have been able to do. I wouldn't have been able to do that, and it would have meant wasting a lot of some really good footage. So there will be another part to it. So there will be 3 parts really, going through Leicester, and then which went out last week, and then Syston to the bottom of Foxton, and then the bottom of Foxton to here at Hinckley. So my next video will go out on Saturday the 5th of October 2024 at 8 AM. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. It's a great encouragement to us and it's completely free. If you've liked the videos, please give us a thumbs up, as that helps to push the videos up the YouTube algorithm and more people will get to know about the channel. So I'd like to thank you for all your support, and as always, do take care.